Yo, what's up guys? This is Transparent 3D coming at you with some more Transformers Titans Return action. And today we're taking a look at the new Transformers Titans Return Deluxe Class Aimless and Misfire. And there they are in their robot mode. A very awesome figure. Just right off the bat, just an awesome figure. Now you do come with a nice collector's card with a nice piece of artwork with Misfire and Aimless. On the back, you got your tech specs for Misfire and Aimless. Such a great team. Aimless and Misfire. So, both idiots. But, again, what could you do, guys? Very cool little collector card. Alrighty. Moving along. Take a quick look at the packaging. Move Aimless and Misfire off there to the side. Nice picture of Aimless and Misfire there in their robot mode. Very cool. Very nice there. You can see the artwork there in the packaging. Very neat. You got Aimless and Misfire there. Aimless and Misfire. Titans Return. Come around the back, you got your obligatory product shots. One step to change Aimless, and then you got Misfire that changes 10 steps. And he rides in a cockpit. Yay, he rides in a cockpit. Ha, he said cock. But anyway, also sold separately, we got just like what I just showed you in the previous review. Only one's different is just Twin Twist because we already just reviewed them. So, don't forget to check his review out. But that is it for the packaging, fellas. So, very cool. And very cool and awesome. So, I don't even know what to say more about this figure. Very cool. I really like this figure. The mold on this is a heavily repaint, remold, and a little bit of redeco of, you name it, Blowpipe and Trigger Happy. Very cool. I love how Hasbro's retooling stuff and making a completely new figure. The only thing that I've seen difference with him is his legs. I mean, the only thing that's not different is his legs. The whole upper section is a completely different bot. So yeah, very cool. So speaking of Blowpipe and Trigger Happy, let's bring their old happy butts in here. So yeah, very cool. You can see they share the legs. That's about it. Everything's all a different mold. So nothing much worried about him. So moving right along. Try to put him back on my shelf there. There we go. Here we have the new Titans Return Misfire and Aimless. So very cool. Getting there on the details on him. He's like he's like pinkish / purple, he's in between color of them. And the color looks freaking amazing. There's like a couple people he's like, he looks pink. I was a couple people was like, he looks purple. I was like, I don't know. But overall, very cool little figure. So since we brought Blowpipe in there, let's bring in another Decepticon. Decepticon Necro and Full Tilt from Tripticon. I will be reviewing them here pretty soon. I'll do deluxe. I'll do Necro and Full Tilt later on, and then do a part 1 of Tripticon, then part 2. So, alrighty then. So moving right along, very cool. We got some nice Decepticon logos on each side of his shoulders. Nice red and whitish cream right there on his chest. Very cool for his wings in the back. Now you can adjust his wings where you want. You can adjust them like full back like this, or just pull them all the way back. It's up to you. It's your figure. Do whatever you want with it. So, I just pull them back just a little bit. Very cool G1 reminiscence of the stickers there. Everyone's been telling me about. These ain't stickers, but they're painted apps. I can see Repro Labels finishing that sticker to go all the way back through the wing. Another Decepticon logo right there on his back, but that's mainly in vehicle mode. But articulation wise on this guy, his head weeble wobbles, just like all the other Titan Masters, side to side, flip all the way around, bring it around town, all that good stuff. His shoulders go up and down like this due to transformation wise. His arms rotate all the way around due to his wings being in the way, but very cool and satisfying. Elbow swivel, nice elbow joint. Wrists come in and out due to transformation. And we got a whole waist swivel. So, very cool. Alright, legs all the way out, back, up. Nice knee, thigh swivel. Rear knee joint. His legs articulate up and down. His feet, very cool. Very cool and posable. So yeah, just to start this off, we'll take him off. Very head sculpt, very nice. Transform him, fold him up. And this guy here actually has painted detail on his face. They're really doing good. Very nice. Blue visor with a painted face. Very nice. So you're getting what I'm trying to do here. It's like he's kneeling while his Titan Master's off. Very cool. Alrighty. And I said we're going to transform him into his jet mode, Cybertronian jet mode. Grab these guns. He can hold either way. We'll get to that here in a minute. Very nice guns. And you post them together. Of course. Post them together. And you put him in the gunner seat, which is pretty cool. So, I said transform him into his vehicle mode. First thing you want to do here is fold the fist up into the wrist. Alright, there's arms. Alright, fold this out, fold these wings down. These wings will swivel with you. These wings are on a swivel. Pull this down at the same time. Alright. Then we're going to move his crotch, back of his crotch out like so. Stick his legs together with the tabs. Fold these legs all the way down in like that. And we'll rotate this whole section. Oh, I had to bring front. Never mind, don't rotate it. Bring this section up, and it'll go right in here. Okay. Then for his hands will come all the way down, accordion. There's a tab right here, and there's a little slot right here. Pegs in the back of the jet. Same on this side here. Tab that right in there. Like so. And then you just adjust the wings. Adjust the wings. And then in a whoa tab, see there's a tab right here and there's a slot right up in here. Right here where my thumb's at. There's a tab right here and then there's a slot. This will go down in that on both sides. Accordion this piece up on this hinge all the way up like so, and boom, jet mode. Very cool. And like I said, you can post your stuff, guns in. Can't really post this in without him like getting almost decapitated like so, but he can gun that right there, or he can just pilot the jet. A very hard cockpit to open. Usually have to move this down just to open it. So plenty of big room in here on that. Alrighty, there we go. Very nice jet mode. Very nice, clean, sleek, and sexy. What Wreck-Gar would say from the Transformers 1986 movie. There's two little posts right here and here, so you can post some Titan Masters. So, post Titan Master up there, you'd be like, yay, go for a ride, yeah. No. See him up there. See him up there. But, yeah. Pretty cool little Titan Masters. Alright. Now the guns. Unpeg them together. Unpeg them. Now, there's different ways you can post these in here. Post them in here on this side like this. Or use that post right there. I used the other post. Use this one here. It's pretty nice. Post them into his shoulders. And there we go. Very cool looking jet. No landing gear at all, so which sucks. I wish they would have ported, had something down here for when these two weapons are combining. They can slide them both together right here. And have like a weapon right in the middle. But there's like wasted empty space here. They could have put cart stuff right there for it. But again, what could you do? So unpeg the weapons, transform back into his robot mode. Very cool little figures. Transform them back. Get him out of the cockpit here. Fold that up, holding that back. Transform it into the head. And snap it on. Give him his guns, or if you want to, give him arm cannons. So yeah, very cool. So I can see this being like a Starscream mold later on, doing a Starscream mold. But very cool little figure. Highly recommend it, guys. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out Web Junior 1977, Liquid Cool 360, Game Dungeon Productions, Greg Monroe. Thanks a lot once again for this awesome figure. So don't forget to check him out on Facebook. Tell him I sent you. So yeah. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I'll follow you back on Instagram. All that good stuff. So until next time, guys, hopefully to catch you on some of my live streams here later on tonight or tomorrow. Who knows? But don't forget to check out my live stream channel, Smokescreen38. And then until next time, guys, don't forget to check out Just Tank, and all their links will be down in the description down below. Until next time, guys, this is Trans Aaron 38. I'm out, brothers.